Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan if you are new here, and today I will be unbagging my Yes Oh Yes bag. So this month, let's see here, for September it is Believe In. And the first thing that we're going to go into is from Naked Cosmetics. This is the Holographic Highlighter Palette. This retails for $32. And this is what it looks like. Bunch of different colors. So we're going to go ahead and I think I'm going to go with the pink one. Let's see here. The next thing in the bag is from Aesthetics Pro Series. This is the 3-piece eye and brow brushes. This retails for $45. So it has, looks like an eyeliner, a spoolie, and then a brow brush all in there. So let's see, for $45, that's a lot of money for some brushes. Alright, and then let's see here, I have two other items, and I think I'm gonna go with this one to wear. We have this one here from Cella Beauty. This is a matte lipstick that retails for $20. This is in the color Hello Beautiful. And then I also have the Glow Stick Semi-Matte Liquid Lipstick that retails for $18. And this is in the color Honey Bun. I like that name. And that's what that looks like. Alright, so this is everything in this month's bag from Yes Oh Yes. And the retail value is $119, which is really good considering you're only spending about $15 on the bag. So it's definitely one I highly recommend. I will put all the information down in the description box. I do have a code. I don't get any money for it, but it does give you a percentage off. It's honey is the code. I think it gives you about 10% off of the bag. So that's something that you can definitely use. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be reminded the next time I upload. I again thank you for watching, and you have a great day.